Before you invest in IMQRSCAN, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know that could save you time and money. Stick with me till the end because I'll give you insights that go beyond what you'd find just by browsing their website, and I'll compare it to other options on the market. If you're new to this software, this video will help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. First off, IMQRSCAN is a solid tool for businesses looking to create QR codes and integrate them into marketing strategies, events, or operations. But how does it compare to competitors like QR Code Generator or ScanBot? IMQRSCAN offers a very user-friendly interface and customization options that aren't always as flexible with the others. You can create dynamic codes and track usage in real time, which is huge for understanding the impact of your campaigns. This is a game changer compared to basic QR code tools that don't provide much data. Next thing to note is its ease of integration. If you're someone who already uses tools like Zapier or Google Analytics, you'll love how easily IMQRSCAN connects to your other software. Whether you're integrating with a CRM or just need to track user interactions, it's seamless. This is a big advantage over some other QR tools, which can be frustrating to integrate with other platforms. The third thing you should know is about their analytics and tracking features. IMQRSCAN doesn't just create codes. It lets you monitor who's scanning them, when, and where. This kind of data is invaluable for fine-tuning your marketing strategies. While many other QR code creators give you basic stats, IMQRSCAN takes it a step further, allowing you to segment your audience and even set up automated alerts for specific actions. If you're serious about using QR codes for marketing, this feature is a must-have, and it really sets IMQRSCAN apart. Next, let's talk about security. In today's digital age, security is non-negotiable. IMQRSCAN takes it seriously by providing encrypted codes and options for password protection. This ensures that only the right people are accessing your content. Some other QR code tools offer basic security, but IMQRSCAN gives you the flexibility to add extra layers of protection, which can be a huge benefit for businesses in sensitive sectors. The fifth thing is customization. IMQRSCAN allows you to tailor your QR codes to match your branding. You can change colors, add logos, and even adjust the shape of the QR code itself. While most competitors offer some level of customization, IMQRSCAN gives you more freedom to make your codes look unique, which helps maintain brand consistency and creates a more professional look for your marketing materials. Sixth is the pricing. IMQRSCAN provides great value for the features it offers, and you can start using it completely free, giving you the opportunity to test it out before committing. Many competitors will charge right off the bat or limit key features to premium plans. With IMQRSCAN, you can take advantage of a robust free version, and if you need advanced functionality, you can scale up as needed without breaking the bank. And finally, the customer support. If you run into issues, IMQRSCAN offers reliable and responsive customer service. They have a dedicated support team available through live chat and email. Many competitors leave you high and dry if you need help, but IMQRSCAN offers top-notch support to ensure you get the most out of their software. So if you're considering using IMQRSCAN, take it for a spin yourself. You can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on exclusive benefits and get the best free trial for the software. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, make sure to check out the link below for your free trial and start optimizing your QR code strategy with IMQRSCAN today.